I am G.R. Shivshankar, General Secretary, Trade Union Coordination Central Committee. Today, I want to share some issues and the exploitation of workers in contract labor system. Contract Labor Act it came in 1978, and it is one of the worst. It is particularly exploiting the workers through this act. And everywhere that because the permanency of the workmen is not there, only the contract labor system. Contract labor system, it is only benefit to the management, particularly most of the corporate companies, multinational companies, and even the government, most of the sector, they are using the contract labor system. As per the Contract Abolition Act, when section 10 is clearly says any perennial nature of work cannot be given on contract. But unfortunately, all the assistant labor commissioners in our state, in the state of Karnataka, they are giving the contract permanent nature of work also on the contract. License they are granting. And also when they are obtaining a license from the labor department, the principal employer as well as the contractor, they have to sign the conditions. When they are obtaining the license, they have, the concerned authority is putting certain conditions. If the contract worker performed the same and similar nature of the direct employed permanent worker, the same salary and the same benefit should be extended. Nowhere it has been extended. You can take many examples. You take in all multinational companies, the salary of a permanent worker, contract labor worker, only 15,000 rupees. Whereas the permanent workers gets 55 to 65,000 rupees salary. Huge salary theft is going on. Take for example, I am since last so many years, I am the president of the KSDL, Karnataka Soaps and Detergents, where more than 1,000 workers are working on a contract basis. In the marketing sales representative, hardly he gets about 15 to 16,000 rupees salary per month. But the same work is performed by the permanent worker, he gets 65,000, he gets only about 15 to 16,000 rupees salary. Huge margin in the salary. That means the major salary theft is going on. And all the contract, the funny part of it, the contract, when they are obtaining a contract license from the labor department, there are so many agents also to get the license. Inspector of factories giving a license for 1,000, 2,000 employees in a company. But those, whatever the employees they are taking the permission from the inspector of factories, whether they are the permanent workers or a contract workers, there they will not define. As for the definition of worker is the same, whether a contract worker or permanent worker is the same. But in work exploitation is concerned, contract workers has been no job security, and whatever the benefits he is getting, the permanent worker, that benefits is not getting. So simultaneously, the the principal employer and contractor, they are exploiting this contract labor because it is cheap. You can go anywhere in India, in any field, the contract labor system is there. But whether they are doing the justice, the principal employer, whether they are doing the justice, whether contract is doing industry, it is only benefit to the principal employer and contract because they are theft is their salary of these workers. But in case of particularly the contract license, when they are obtaining from the assistant labor commissioner, no yardstick is followed. If you apply for 1,000, you will get this thing. When you pay some money, you will get the license. So that means who is benefiting? Whether the contract worker is benefiting. After issuing the license, the labor department never inspect the contract workers where they are working, whether they are getting a continuous salary, whether they get this wage slip, whether they get the appointment letter, whether the permanent worker, what he gets the salary, if you perform the same and similar work, whether the contractor will get the same salary. No verification. The department is only issue, the licensing issue authority. There are so many enactments in 44 or something like that. Many managements all the time they are shouting. So many enactments is there. It is against the principal employer, and whatever the economy is not improving, FDA is not coming. It's all bogus, bullshit. Implementation of the labor laws is absolutely big zero. There are so many methods now have started outsource and everything. Everything they are going to exploit the workmen in the form of wage. wage they are deducting. That means permanent nature of work, even if you perform, the same salary is not getting. So the Supreme Court also the clear direction, equal work, equal pay. Who is following? When the big industries like public sectors like soaps and so many other industries, and even in Vidhansa and Vikas Sauda where the lift operators are also working, it shows clearly where those being exploited in the name of a contract labor system, what is the justice for these contract workers? Absolutely they are not getting any justice. So that's why I am demanding whatever you are using, because forget about the permanent nature, whatever they at present in the within the act, that is in 1970 Contract Abolition Regulation Act, whatever in the act that when you are obtaining a license, if you are not going to implement, take whatever the labor department, that is the deputy labor commissioner can make an order. Since so many years, so many months, so many years, whatever the salary is supposed to pay for the permanent worker, the same salary to the contract worker, if they make an order, definitely the principal employer will be afraid. But how many deputy labor commissioner, assistant labor commissioner do this? How many inspectors? Because unfortunately in the labor department or the verge of the retirement, many labor commissioners are coming, whatever they want they will do and they will go. Rare commissioners are coming. Jaikar Jerome, once he came as a labor commissioner, he has prosecuted the micromanagement. He has put 49 cases. But how many commissioners can able to do that? Do the justice? So far, in my experience, absolutely labor department is not doing the justice for this contract labor. That's why I'm demanding the government of Karnataka, even the other governments also, let them follow the rules and regulations prescribed in the act and implement as per the act, that's equal work, equal pay, and whatever the license they are obtaining, they let them fulfill the license requirement and let them do it. Otherwise, you are going to theft the wage of the contract labor. This is my feeling. I am demanding the government immediately kindly constitute a COD inquiry and find out what are the irregularities is going on in the contract labor licensing issuing authority. Thank you.